Alright, so I ordered 2 of the wild type Starbursts. I'll leave a link in the description, but so I don't remember their name. However, I was originally gonna get 1. Sorry if I'm in a rush, by the way, because I actually have somewhere to be now. It takes like 20 minutes to get there because the mailman was late. And then I actually had to drive down the road, find the mailman, ask for this package, and oh my god, it was a lot. Anyways, so I was originally gonna get 1, and then they had a deal where if you, so it was $60 plus 15 shipping, but if I got 2, then I got 2 of the axolotls for $100 plus like a sample bag of pellets, some almond leaves, and what was the other one? I don't remember. Well, oh, plants. Yeah, aquatic plants. So this is the unboxing of that. And it's been raining lately and pretty cool. So here's the leaves. Put them over there. And the plants, which, wow, they look a lot better than last time. I did order plants before, but it was so hot outside that they all just, like, died. But, oh, I'm not sure I can do this one-handed. Hold on. Got my keys to break the tape. Key. Go. Oh no, they're so precious. Sorry, you can't see, I can see them. So this one looks pretty good. They're tinier than I thought. But, oh, they got those cute little eyes. Here, let me hold it so you can see a little. Yeah. So I'm going to, oh, they're both in there. Wow. I'm blind. So both of them look good. I believe, yeah, they're in one bag together, but in actually separate bags. So I will float them for a couple minutes, a few minutes, a while, and then I will put them in with Nessie, who I believe is the same size, if not, actually they're pretty tiny, so they might actually go in the breeder box, but we'll see. So yeah, they're quite a bit smaller than I originally thought, and how they looked in the pictures, compared to Nessie over here. So they actually won't be going in with Nessie. And they'll have their own little breeder box, which is on the floor over there, but I'll set it up for them. So here they are floating, getting adjusted. They're actually going to go with these guys for now, who are technically, you know, overcrowded in here, but until I get the breeder box up tonight, which I don't have time to do right now, thanks to the postal service, who took like 3 hours longer than they normally do. But for today, they'll be in here. These guys. Look at how precious. Aww. There they are. Aww. Oh my goodness. Wish you could see how cute they are if the camera would stay focused. This one's got a dark spot on its nose. Aw. Oh, okay. Thanks, phone. That one's got some iridophores already. I'm excited.